Hello friends, in this video you will see how to verify your name and other particulars for generating e-certificate. You will receive one mail from Directors at Mumbai for certificate writing invitation to edit. Open it. It will take you to a Google Sheet list of participants for certificate writing of Raipur batch 4. Here your names are arranged as per your roll number. And this sheet contains your name in English, your designation, name of your KV, your region name. These are all in English. Then name in Hindi, your designation in Hindi, region in Hindi, and a remarks column. And you can notice in every name, below every name, one row is left vacant. Below every name, one row is kept vacant. This is for doing corrections. Let me tell you how you have to do the corrections. First, identify your name as per your roll number. For example, let me tell you that how I will check my name. Here I want to change the spelling. For I will type M Srinivasan because I want SRINIVASN. Okay, now here after you do the changes, please make, for example, it will be in black color normally. If you do any changes, convert the font into red color, which means that there is a change. Please type the name in English if there is any correction and convert the font into red color. If there is no correction, put a hyphen. No correction, put a hyphen. Suppose here I want to change. For example, let me type KVS Z at Mumbai. Once again I repeat, the font will be in red color. You have to, for example, it may not be in red color. You have to convert it into red color and then type. Is it okay? Okay, then now these are all corrections which I made it in English. Now I will come back to Hindi now. Here there may be some mistakes in your name in Hindi because this translation is done by Google formula. Therefore there may be some mistake in the name of your Hindi. How to do it? Suppose if you can type directly using Unicode or Google input, you can do it. Those who are not able to do it, go to net, type Google input tool. Google input tool will open. Now here you can type it in Hindi. Go click it and select Hindi. For example, my name here in Hindi I don't want to be, there is a change I want to make. For what I will do, I will type. Okay. Okay. Now this one I want, the first one I want. Select it. Come back to this and then paste it. Once again, the color to be changed into red, which means that I have done a change. There is no change. Put one hyphen. Okay, there is no change. Okay, anyway. Now, after this, all your checking is over. Please don't forget to type checked in the remarks column. Don't forget to type checked in the remarks column. I repeat once again. Below your name, identify your name. Below your name, there is a row is left out. If there is any change in the name in English, type it. Change the font color into red. Designation like that. KV name, region you check. Suppose if there is any mistake in the Hindi particulars, you can either directly type using Unicode or make use of this Google input tool and do it. After all your corrections are over, you write in the remarks column as checked. Then no need to do any savings. This Google Sheet will get saved automatically. After your checking is over, after writing the checked in the remarks column, simply close this file. Automatically it will be saved. And please don't try to do any changes in any of the entries of this sheet. Do the changes only in your name. If there is no change, please put an hyphen. If there is any change, please do it in the row below your name kept for it, and change the color into font. Okay, change the color of the font into red, which means that you have done some changes. And then in the remarks column, please write checked. Thank you, friends. Please, this is time bound. Please do it within 2 days, that is by Monday, coming Monday, that is 24th. Please try to complete it so that we can generate the e-certificate for all the participants who have submitted all the 9 assignments. Thank you, friends.